Hi, guys. Welcome back to another episode of English in Easy Mode, where we are about to start another day at my pizza restaurant. And we have no time to waste because I've been making some improvements to make everything run smoother. And I also bought some new ingredients. So we have the tomatoes, which I chopped. We have the mushrooms, which I chopped. We have the cheese, which I grated. And my new ingredient is pepperoni. I unlocked the pepperoni. And right now I have two. I also have, and I have number three over here. And right now they're still wrapped, but when the customers order them, I will unwrap them and put them on the pizza. I also took some pieces of dough and I rolled them into small sizes. So they're basically ready to go. And if a customer orders medium or large, I'll just roll them a little bit bigger. I also realized that I have these little coolers right under the counter. See, here's my counter, and these coolers are right here. So instead of running back to this refrigerator every time someone orders a soda, I moved all the sodas here. And you'll also notice I unlocked a new kind of soda also. So I have this one, which I already had, the Carbon Fizz. But now I also have Citrus Blast, which I guess is some kind of a orange or lemon or lime flavor, something citrus. Let's see which soda the customers like more. So we will open for business. And of course I have the sauce also. I'm going to try to not forget the sauce today. Ma'am, you would like a small with just sauce and tomato, and she wants a Carbon Fizz. Okay. So we will put the sauce on the pizza. And we will put some tomatoes on the pizza. And we put the pizza in the oven. I will get some trays ready. And she also wanted a Carbon Fizz. How is my pizza doing? Almost done. Okay, it's done. All right, and she is at table 5. Our first customer of the day. I hope you are satisfied and enjoy your pizza. She's happy. She likes her pizza. Now we wait for the next customer. I guess we can get some trays ready while we wait. What is taking the customers so long? Oh, there we go. All right, small with cheese and mushrooms. And she wants to try our new soda, the Citrus Blast. Okay, let's put some sauce on the pizza. She wanted tomato. Oh, no, she didn't want tomatoes. I almost made a mistake on the second customer. She only wants cheese and mushrooms. So we will give her what she asks for. Customer satisfaction is the most important thing. All right, her soda's ready on the tray, and the pizza is almost done. All right. Why can't I grab the tray? Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Enjoy. Hello? Oh, look. Your twin is here. This customer wants a medium with tomato, cheese, and a soda, the Carbon Fizz. So we'll just put that there. So I have to roll this into medium size. And then put on the sauce. And she wants tomatoes and cheese. And it's ready to go in the oven. I'm probably going to need more dough. So let's get this ready. All right, the pizza is done. And this customer is sitting at table 11, which is outside. Here you go. Enjoy. Oh, yes. I have to make the dough. We always need more dough. Hello, ma'am. Sorry for the wait. I was making fresh dough. Oh, our first customer that wants pepperoni. And she wants a large. She wants everything. And she wants extra cheese. That is my kind of customer. All right, now it's medium, and now it's large. We'll put on the sauce. All right, some cheese, some mushrooms, some tomatoes. Oops, I have to unwrap it. Some pepperoni. Oh, do I have to chop this? Oh, I see. I did not realize I had to chop it. Okay. We have a slight delay in this because of chopping the pepperoni. Ma'am, what would you like? Everything except pepperoni. You know, you're really missing out on the pepperoni. Okay, this one is done. She also wanted the carbon fizz. And she is at table 6, which is inside. Here you go.
Wow, exactly what I ordered.
All right. And a large with everything except no pepperoni. All right. Let's get the sauce on. And now we can do the cheese and the mushrooms and the tomatoes. Put it in the oven. Oops, I did not want to grab all of those. I just want to grab one so I can put the pepperoni inside. And now I have a tray with pepperoni. Oops. Alright, I burned it. I'm not going to give her the burned pizza. We have a perfect customer satisfaction rating today, and I'm not going to ruin it. I got distracted by putting pepperoni into the tray. Alright, sir, I'll take your order. One moment. Okay, she wanted cheese and mushrooms and tomatoes. Put that into the oven. What does the next guy want? He wants a medium. Oops, that sauce is empty. Let's do this one. Oh, wait, please don't burn. Ooh, I almost burned the same woman's pizza a second time. Yes, ma'am, I'll take your order. One moment. We're just slightly delayed due to some distractions, and
Looks amazing.
it's all because I forgot to chop the pepperoni before I opened. Alright, so he gets his medium, he wants cheese, he wants mushrooms, he wants everything. And pepperoni. Oh, he wants extra tomato too. Whew, we have a lot of demanding customers today. Okay, that can go in the oven. Let's get this empty pot out of the way. Put the pot back over here. How's he doing? Oh, sorry, ma'am. One moment. Oof, we are getting very busy. Okay. And this guy wanted the citrus blast. And he is sitting at table 14. Sorry for the wait. I wanted to make sure everything was perfect for you, sir. What's next? We need a large. Alright. We'll put the sauce on the pizza. He wants mushrooms. He wants tomatoes. He wants cheese. And he wants pepperoni also. Okay. Get that in here. Oh, another customer. I'll be right with you, sir. All right, let's get the tray ready. Oh, this guy wants... Yeah, he wants a soda. He wants carbon fizz. All right, this one's ready. We will take it to table 16. Over here. I hope you enjoy.
Exactly what.
Okay, we're getting a little backed up, but I think we're gonna get things under control. All right, this guy wants a large with sauce, of course. What else? He wants mushrooms, he wants cheese, he wants tomatoes, and he wants pepperoni. All right, put that into the oven, get his tray ready. He also wants a citrus blast. Close the doors to keep it cold. And this one is done. Table one. Okay, table one. Here you go. Have a great day. Okay, one more pizza, I think. All right, this guy wants a large. He wants sauce. He wants mushrooms. And he wants tomatoes. And he wants pepperoni. So I need to chop more pepperoni. Okay, pepperoni on the pizza. Oh, no cheese on this guy's pizza. Oh, and he wants extra mushrooms. Okay. Maybe he doesn't like cheese. Get his tray ready. We will get his citrus blast soda. And this pizza is done. And where are you sitting? Table 2. Okay, sorry for the wait. I hope you enjoy. And now we can start collecting money. Alright, got all the money. Alright. I also put some trash bags in this trash can. So now we have 2 trash cans that we can use to dump out the leftovers. Because in the other episodes, my trash can was always getting full. So we dump the leftovers, stack the tray,
Mamma mia.
take the money, take the tray, empty the tray, and stack the tray. Now we can clean outside. Okay, money, very important to get the money. Stack the tray. Money, take the tray, empty the leftovers into the trash can. All right, and we have more money. Oops. All right, I'll get the money after. I didn't mean to do it out of order. I have a very specific order that I have to do it in. Money first, and then empty the tray. All right. I think this was a good day. We didn't forget the sauce. We didn't give any customers the wrong order. We did burn one pizza, but that's okay because I noticed it in time. And we made sure to throw it away and give the customer what he wanted. And yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. But since we had such a good day, I think we can do a little gambling. All right, you know, Blaze lost yesterday. I think we're gonna give Blaze another chance. But if you fail me this time, Blaze, I will never trust you again. All right, Blaze. This is your moment. This is your moment to end up on top. Oh, I think he's gonna do it. Number 4 is trying. But I think Blaze is gonna... He did it! Oh, good work, Blaze! You know, you lost yesterday, but you kept trying. You didn't give up, and you made me $42. I only bet $10, and I won $42. Amazing. All right. Well, we had a very good day. We got all the customers' orders exactly how they wanted. We tried out our new soda, we tried out the pepperoni, and we won our horse race. So I will see you all in the next one.